a new project, a camper van. Got a lot of ugly stuff in it, but that's gonna be all changed though. Got a 33-year-old dustbuster in the back there, it still works. Got some seats all taken out already. There's a bed there that we'll be pulling out, putting our own in. Some more storage up there. We're gonna put some storage on the sides probably. Get rid of the ugly curtains. Oh, gotcha, it's a clothes rack, okay. Not bad for a 92. Needs a good cleaning on the outside. No rust that I can see. But that's subject to change. Oh, there's a little bit down there.
Well, we got all the seats out. The next step is we're going to be taking the carpet out and all these seat plates and getting her all cleaned up and see what we're going to do for flooring.
Hi. We are now stripping the van for you.
Okay.
Set the tools separate.
Yeah, all the other crap I'm going to take up in the garage or in the garbage can, one of the two.
Huh.
I ain't just going to make piles all over.
Now we gotta try to figure out how to get rid of this damn thing.
Yeah, that we're going to have to pay to get rid of it.
Oh yeah.
Unless that smash it place will take it.
Huh. It's actually works. Oh, fat guy down! Help! Fat guy down! Oh! Fat guy down!
Ah! Pull my finger!
Oh, thanks for pulling the finger. Okay. Now we move to the back.
To the back side.
Ah! This here we got to release. And it won't release.
Yeah, we can't get the
bolts are 33 years old underneath and never been busted before.
So he's going to try cutting it off with a grinder. So we got to find a piece of metal so we don't catch the van on fire.
Yeah, hopefully I can get this up higher, cut that bolt off too. My name's Bill. I'm the expert at fucking up. Thank you for calling us Bill's Fuck Ups.
That one's being really stubborn, huh?
Welcome. You are visiting Terry, you do it right or you ain't getting shit tonight videos. Are you, that's why I'm hearing from you, woman? Huh? That's a little stubborn.
Yay! Popped its cork.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
And now, woo! Number 2.
Well, we managed to grind out all the bolts and shit.
That's a big step.
Yeah, started a couple of fires, but we got them out.
Okay, guys, what you witness here is hillbilly ingenuity at its best. So don't do it. This thing is starting to irritate me.
And now
being
it's...
Hold on, I can't find no screws.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Huh.
There's one down here I can't get out.
Is there like L brackets or something inside?
There is, I can't find them.
Huh.
And I don't want to rip up the wall.
Right, we don't, because we don't want to end up having to redo the walls, that's for sure.
Look at all these wires.
What the hell are those all to?
Switches. Remember that sofa used to go up and down?
Oh, so we don't need them wires. You can cap them off?
No, they come off. Yeah.
Cool.
If I can figure out how to take this son of a bitch off.
We'll get it figured out.
Yeah, I always do.
So yeah, starting to rain. Almost time for a lunch break, and then we're gonna tackle this carpet. See how that goes. Next step is to cut out all this gross carpeting. So hopefully we'll get this done in
20 days.
not too much time. Rip the whole thing out.
How'd you see?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ow! What the hell's that underneath my ass?
Oh, that knife, honey. You got that knife.
Jesus. You want me to try to kill me?
I didn't put it there.
Oh, that can hurt it.
I suppose.
Did you get it on camera, though?
No, I don't think so.
Damn, you got to.
He rolled over, the knife went right up his ass, and we didn't get it on camera.
Damn.
Oh, missed opportunities.
Cherry ass being popped by a knife. So what are you doing now there?
Putting on some Rust-Oleum paint, keep it from getting rusty.
Trusty Rusty?
Rusty dusty.
Rusty. Okay, thank you.
Well, we got the floor all painted with the rust preventative paint. So while that's drying, we're going to be sanding all the wood. We're going to give them a fresh coat of stain and protectant. We saw in another video Danish oil, so we thought we'd try that because it hardens and it won't crack, chip, or peel. So let's hope that it works as good as they claim. So luckily we have two sanders, so we can both be sanding at once and get it done a lot quicker. Okay, so we got most of the woodwork put back in after we stained and conditioned them and sanded them and all that fun stuff. And then we're just going to do the floor. We're going to just use the interlocking foam tiles for the floor. That'll add some insulation, and we don't need anything fancy. And we had to get a new seat. And after the floor, we will be building the bed and then just get our storage. And of course, the big problem, solar.
Hi, solar.
We gotta do the solar.
Solar? Oh!
Okay, now we're gonna get started on the floor. Hopefully we don't run into any problems.
So.
Dusty, lay down here once. Right, put your head like right in that corner and lay down.
So you think 4 feet is wide enough?
Yeah, that's long enough, I think, if we lay that way.
I'm sure he is.
Yeah, by about 2 inches.
A lot more than that.
Cool.
He's
Thanks,
6'2",
Poops.
I'm 5'10".
I'm 6'1" on a good day.
6'1", I think he is, yeah.
So if we bring it out here at 54, it'll just clear this.
Yeah. Yeah, we were just gonna clear this.
So that'd be what?
And then we got all this extra room here. Okay, we've got the base of the bed frame constructed. We were hoping to put it together and then put it inside, but it doesn't look like it's gonna work that way. We're probably gonna have to build it inside.